Hello, ma'am. How can I help you today?
Hey, there's been some oil leaking from my car lately. Can you check what the issue is, where it's coming from?
Sure, let me have a look. Ma'am, your car oil filter needs a replacement. If you say, I can replace with the non-genuine one, it'll be cheaper.
I don't think that'd be a wise option. Let me ask you a question. Would you serve coffee on a plate?
No, that'd be a misfit.
Exactly. My car deserves the real deal, not a weird misfit. Genuine parts only, please. I'm not just driving a car, I'm driving decisions. And I don't do Jugaad. Choose genuine, choose Hyundai Mobis.